If you're seriously considering a new Canyon but haven't pulled the trigger yet, what's coming for 2027 is going to change the way you think about this truck entirely. Most midsize pickups get minor year-over-year tweaks that barely move the needle, but the 2027 Canyon is getting a sharper look, a more powerful engine, and a refined interior, all without a significant price increase that would make you wince. Number 7. Styling updates. The current Canyon generation has been on the road since 2023. That's 4 model years running on the same design, and while it still holds up, the timing is right for a change. Mid-cycle refreshes typically land around the 4th or 5th model year, and all signs point to the 2027 Canyon hitting that window. Styling tweaks are coming, and they're going to sharpen an already solid-looking truck. Think refined front-end details, updated trim execution, and the kind of visual polish that puts it a clear step ahead of where it stands today. Here's the thing about buying a truck you're going to drive every day for 5 or 6 years. How it looks matters more than most people admit out loud. Nobody wants to pull up somewhere in a truck that already feels like it belongs to the previous chapter. The refresh isn't reinventing the Canyon, it's taking something that already carries itself differently from the crowd and making it harder to walk past on a dealer lot. If exterior design factors into your decision at all, waiting makes sense. But a sharper exterior only goes so far, and what's happening under the hood is where the 2027 Canyon story gets genuinely interesting. Number 6. Class-leading powertrain. Right now, every Canyon runs on the Turbomax 2.7-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, currently rated at 310 horsepower and 430 pound-feet of torque. That's already one of the strongest base powertrains in the midsize segment, more output than the V6 engines in the Honda Ridgeline, Jeep Gladiator, and the standard Tacoma. But credible sources are reporting that the Turbomax is getting a significant bump for the 2027 model year, with output climbing to 350 horsepower and 440 pound-feet of torque. That's nearly 130 horsepower per liter from a 4-cylinder engine, a number that belongs in a performance conversation, not a midsize truck spec sheet. Most people don't think about what happens when a truck is actually loaded. When the bed is full and the trailer is hooked up, that's when you feel the difference between adequate power and real power. 40 extra horsepower and 10 additional pound-feet of torque translate directly into cleaner pulls from a stop, more confident passing on 2-lane roads, and less strain on the drivetrain when grades get steep. The 8-speed automatic is carrying over, and it's already a well-calibrated unit. With upgraded output feeding into it, the combination is going to feel noticeably more capable in exactly the situations where it counts. And all that power needs something serious to pull, which is exactly what the next reason covers. Number 5. Respectable work capabilities. There's a persistent assumption that premium-trimmed midsize trucks trade real capability for a nicer interior. The Canyon has never played along with that idea, and the 2027 model isn't starting now. The max towing rating is going to hold at 7,700 pounds across the elevation, AT4, and Denali trim levels, which is one of the highest figures in the class, and a number that competes with lightly loaded full-size alternatives. Think about what that actually covers: a large boat, a loaded travel trailer, a pair of side-by-sides on an enclosed hauler. For a lot of buyers, that range covers every real-world towing scenario they'll ever face. Payload capacity is equally solid for the segment, and GM's hitch view and hitch guidance system is coming standard across all trim levels, a feature that might seem minor until you've spent 10 minutes in a tight space trying to line up a trailer tongue by yourself. It removes that frustration entirely, and it's there from the base trim up. The work credentials are real, but they're wrapped in an interior that's going to surprise people, and that's up next. Number 4. Well-designed cabin. Cabin quality has always been a Canyon strength, and the 2027 model is going to build on that foundation with refined materials, updated color scheme options, and improved finish execution throughout. The current interior already positions the Canyon well above most midsize competitors. The forward cabin is organized cleanly, with a digital gauge cluster sitting behind the steering wheel and the drive mode selector positioned directly next to the shifter. That layout is staying. What's getting attention is the quality of everything around it. That cabin quality is impressive on pavement, but what this truck can do once the pavement ends is a different conversation entirely. Number 3. Off-road performance. The Canyon isn't a luxury truck that tolerates the occasional dirt road. Its off-road credentials are genuine, and the 2027 model is continuing to build on a platform that already ranks among the best in the midsize segment for trail capability. Even the standard AT4 arrives with a 2.0-inch factory lift, all-terrain tires, and a dedicated off-road drive mode. That's meaningful hardware before you even get to the serious stuff. A lot of people find out what their truck can actually do the hard way, already on a trail, already committed, and suddenly aware that the hardware underneath them isn't quite up to the terrain ahead. That's the gap the AT4X is built to close. It's arriving with driver-selectable electronic locking front and rear differentials, an additional Baja drive mode beyond the AT4's menu, and an optional factory lift kit that adds Multimatic Jounce control dampers to the suspension, the same technology found in trucks that cost significantly more. The off-road performance display gives real-time pitch, roll, and differential status while on the move. The AT4X AEV edition takes things further with a more aggressive approach, geometry, and dedicated underbody protection. These aren't appearance packages. They're purpose-built configurations for buyers who actually use their trucks off pavement. And when you climb back in after a long day on the trail, the technology waiting for you inside is worth talking about on its own. Number 2. Features. The 2027 Canyon is going to arrive with one of the strongest standard feature sets in the segment. Every trim level ships with the 11.3-inch infotainment touchscreen, not a smaller placeholder screen on base trims and a larger one behind an upgrade. Wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay are standard across the board, along with Wi-Fi hotspot capability. Most drivers don't think about driver assistance features until a moment arrives when they need them. Forward collision warning, automated emergency braking, lane departure warning, and lane keeping assist are all standard on every Canyon trim. No upgrade required, no package to add. Several competitors still treat some of those systems as optional equipment on base and mid-level configurations. Higher trims add adaptive cruise control, a head-up display, wireless phone charging, and available underbody cameras that show exactly what the front tires are contacting on technical terrain. The 7-speaker Bose audio system is available on upper trims and delivers noticeably cleaner output than what most trucks offer at similar prices. The AT4 and Denali also get the off-road performance display standard, a real-time readout covering pitch, roll, and active drive mode information. It's a feature set that treats the truck as a fully equipped machine from the start, and the final reason to wait might be the most straightforward one. It comes down to money. Number 1. Strong value. Here's what tends to get lost in conversations about the Canyon. The price increase for the 2027 model is going to be modest. GM has kept year-over-year pricing on this generation well below what the upgrades would justify, and the 2027 update isn't going to change that pattern. The elevation stays right around $41,000. The AT4 holds nearly $50,000. The Denali costs around $55,000. The AT4X, which competes with purpose-built off-road trucks from other brands that cost considerably more, stays in the $65,000 range. When prices across the industry keep climbing and buyers are getting less for more money with each new model year, the Canyon is going in the other direction, with more power, a fresher look, refined interior execution, and a class-leading tow rating without a significant jump at the register. The 2027 Canyon isn't asking buyers to choose between a capable truck and a comfortable one. It's delivering both at a price point that holds up well against what the competition is charging for less. The 2027 GMC Canyon is arriving as a more complete truck than the one sitting on dealer lots today. Sharper styling, a stronger engine pushing 350 horsepower, class-leading tow ratings, genuine off-road hardware, and a cabin that continues to set the standard for the segment, all without a price increase that would give buyers a reason to look elsewhere. Every one of those improvements has a direct impact on the ownership experience, whether that's extra confidence on a loaded highway pull, better capability on a technical trail, or simply pulling up somewhere in a truck that looks like it was just released. For anyone who hasn't signed yet, the case for waiting is straightforward. More truck, same money, and a fresher package across the board. But don't think that the Canyon is the only midsize truck that's coming with big novelties for the next year. Rivals are coming as well, including the Jeep Gladiator, which you can check out in our next video. It's finally getting what we've been anticipating for too long, that mighty 6.4-liter V8 engine.